Warning: this product is spring-loaded and could cause severe harm if not installed correctly. Make sure you familiarize yourself with all the parts and fully read the instructions. The tools necessary for this installation include a screw gun or screwdriver, tape measure, and level. You may need a 10mm and 14mm wrench to adjust to the proper weight loads. The appliance lift is designed to install to the inside wall of any cabinet, but to ensure proper operation, 6-inch wide support material is required to be installed along the top of both sides of a face frame cabinet with side panels that are less than 3/4 inches thick. To ensure proper clearance for the lift, the maximum recess behind the face frame is 1/2 inch. Cut and install the necessary support material. Repeat on the other side. On both sides of the cabinet, at the front, mark down from the top of the cabinet 4.5 inches. At 4.5 inches, draw a 12-inch long level line toward the back. On that line, measure back 3/8 inch and 11 3/4 inch from the back side of the face frame. On a frameless cabinet, the setback is 1 1/8 from the front of the cabinet. Install the mounting brackets by lining up the center front and center rear mounting locations on your marks. Moving the bracket inside the cabinet will allow for better access to install the remaining screws. To ensure proper operation of this lift, all 12 screws per mounting bracket must be installed. Repeat on the other side. Following the recommended spring positions for varying weight loads shown on the instructions, determine which setting is right for your application. Note, the unit ships already in the 16 to 28 pound range. To adjust the weight setting, place a 14mm boxed-in wrench on the tension adjustment lever to relieve the spring tension. While doing so, use a 10mm wrench to loosen and reinstall the set bolt in your desired setting. Warning: the spring is under high tension. Do not release the tension until the set bolt is in the desired location and firmly secured. Repeat on the other side. The shelf should be a minimum of 3/4 inch thick and no longer than 20.5 inches in length. The shelf width is determined by measuring between the side mounting brackets, shown as the W on the instructions, and then subtracting 1.25 inches. Lay out the mounting locations on the bottom side of the shelf. Mount shelf with at least 8 screws to the underside of the mounting brackets. Cycle and test the appliance lift.